Hi, this is my friend Man. He has a big secret, a secret crush. Man wants to do something really special for his crush. Something simple yet sweet. Malaysia Clay Art's heart-shaped DIY kit. Easy, simple, yet has a touch of romance. Man quickly gets the tools and materials ready. 20 heart-shaped candle containers, a thermometer, pink candle color pigment, beeswax, and soy wax. Man sprinkles the soy wax this way, thinking that it will make him look cool as Salt Bae to his secret crush. Ooh. He filled the pot with the whole pack of soy wax, beeswax along with the pink color pigment from the DIY kit. Heat up the pot, melt it, stir it, and making sure that it doesn't overboil and stays in between 60 to 70 Celsius with a thermometer. When it is ready, Man pours the mixture into the cute little heart-shaped candles containers, 20 of them, one by one, and adding in the most important ingredient, love. When it cools down, the heart-shaped candles turn pink. Man arranges the candles and lights them up. Man can't wait to present it to his secret crush. Do you think his secret crush will be impressed? Tell us at the comment section below. Like, share and subscribe the video to give Man some courage.
Tengok sini.